Good morning, everybody. This is session fourth subject indirect tax 1. Topic is GST definition and types of GST. That's for the fifth semester students. The course is BCom. GST meaning, definition, and types of GST. Here, the objective is to understand the meaning and definition of GST, to analyze the types of GST, to know the features of the three categories of GST. Outcome is it helps the students to understand the exact meaning and definitions of GST, and also to analyze the different types of GSTs that's framed in GST Act 2017. It enables the students to know the core features of the GST. Meaning of GST. So here the GST, it stands for Goods and Service Tax, is an indirect tax which was introduced on 1st July 2017. Goods and Service Tax law in India is a comprehensive multi-stage destination based tax that is levied on every value addition. So the goods and service tax means a tax on the supply of goods or services or both, except the taxes on the supply of alcoholic liquor for human consumption. This comes under Article 366 12A of the Constitution of India. In other words, GST is a comprehensive tax levied on manufacture, sale, and consumption of goods and services. GST is mainly implemented to replace the multiple taxes on the goods and services which was there in the earlier indirect tax system. The characteristics or the main core features of GST is that it is a value added tax that is levied on sale of goods and services. GST is a destination based tax, means it is a consumption based taxation is followed. GST is a comprehensive based tax and it allows input tax credit for the every supplier. GST eliminates cascading effects and it brings uniformity in the tax structure. Types of GST. The three categories of GSTs, that is the SGST, CGST, IGST, UGST. Since GST subsumed indirect taxes of central government, that is excise duty, service tax, customs duty, etc., and state government taxes like VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax, etc., both the government now depend on GST for their indirect tax revenue. Therefore, the GST rate is composed of two rates where intra-state transactions are involved, one of CGST and one of SGST in case of state, or CGST and UTGST in case of the union territories. Therefore, while making an intra-state sales, CGST collected will go to the central government and SGST collected will go to the respective state governments in which the sale is made. Similarly, SGST or UTGST are replaced with IGST, where intra-state transactions are involved. There are four types of GSTs. One is IGST, that is Integrated Goods and Service Tax, and CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax, SGST, State Goods and Service Tax, UTGST, Union Goods and Service Tax. So CGST, SGST. CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax. CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax, is levied and collected by the central government. It is a revenue source to the central government of India on intrastate supplies of goods or services. It is the tax levied on supplies within state, union territories. Whatever the tax collected will be remitted to the center. So here you can take the example, Mr. A makes sale of a product to Mr. B in the same state for rupees 10,000. So here he has to pay two taxes. One is CGST, that is for the central government, while SGST for the state. The rate of CGST, if the rate of GST is 18%, suppose the rate of GST is 18%, Here it is a dual GST, means that GST at the same time the GST is levied both by the central and the state government. The rate of GST levied by the center is CGST, that is 9%, same as SGST, that is state goods and service tax, it is levied at 9%. So here therefore the one rate of tax is levied both by the center and the state. It is equally shared between the center and the state government. Next is SGST, that is state goods and service tax. SGST is the state goods and service tax levied and collected by the state government or by the union territories with state legislature on intrastate supplies of taxable goods or services or both. It is the source of revenue of the respective state governments. Here also example you can take Mr. A, if he makes a sales to Mr. B in the same state, that is we call it as intrastate transaction. Here the Mr. A, he has to pay two taxes, one is CGST and the SGST. Here the same dual rate, if it is the tax rate is 18%, the 9% is the SGST, that is payable to the state government, and 9% is the CGST payable to the central government. Next is UTGST, Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. So it is applicable on supplies within union territories. The tax collected will be remitted to the union territories. UTGST levied and collected by union territories without state legislatures on intrastate supplies of goods or services or both. The territory of India comprises of the territories of the states and the union territories. Currently there are 29 states and 7 union territories, of which 2 Delhi and Pondicherry are having legislatures. IGST. So IGST, the expansion is Integrated Goods and Service Tax. IGST is a mechanism to monitor the interstate trade of goods and services and ensures that the SGST component accrues to the consumer state. It would maintain the integrity of ITC, that is input tax credit chain on interstate supplies. IGST rate would broadly be equal to CGST rate plus SGST rate. IGST would be levied and collected by the central government on all interstate transactions of taxable goods or services. And on any import of the goods and services, this tax is levied. Oh, example you can take, suppose a manufacturer in Rajasthan who sold goods worth of around 10,000 to Mr. B in Andhra Pradesh. It is an interstate transaction. So here in such situation, IGST tax will be applicable here. Suppose if the GST rate is 18%, the total IGST levied is 18% on such transaction. And we can make the comparison of IGST, CGST and SGST, UTGST. Here, if you take the parameters like the tax levied, in case of IGST, the tax is levied by the central government on interstate supplies of goods and services. And in case of CGST, again the tax is levied by the central government on the intrastate supply of goods or services. SGST, UTGST, here the tax is levied by the state and union territory government on intrastate supply of goods and services. Second parameter, what tax will be replaced? In case of IGST, CST tax will be replaced by the IGST, that is central sales tax will be replaced and IGST is levied. In case of CGST, service tax, excise duty, countervailing duty, which was levied earlier, it was cancelled, and instead of that CGST tax is levied. And in case of the STGST, that is state goods and service tax, and union territory goods and service tax, here the tax that would replace is that VAT, sales tax, luxury tax, entertainment tax, etc. Next, applicability. On which transactions these GSTs are levied? In case of ITGST, on interstate supplies and in import situation, ITGST is levied. And in case of CGST, that is when there is a transactions within the state, that is CGST is levied. And for SGST, UTGST, if any supplies happens within a state, then SGST and UTGST tax is levied. Next parameter is for the input tax credit. So here input tax credit in case of IGST against CGST, SGST and IGST, the input tax credit can be claimed. For CGST and IGST, this tax collected, that is CGST collected on that input tax can be claimed. And SGST and UTGST, the input tax credit can be claimed both for the SGST, UTGST and also for the IGST. With respect to tax revenue sharing, in case of IGST, it is shared between state and central government. And in case of CGST, the tax is shared or it is retained only with the central government. And in case of SGST and UTGST, it is shared both with the state, it is retained by the state government and the respective union territory governments. And in case of the parameter, if we come to the free supplies, IGST is applicable on all free supplies, and in case of CGST is also applicable on all free supplies, and the on SGST and UTGST is also applicable on all free supplies. So these are the parameters we can find the differentiation on the levy of the types of GSTs. So here the references I have quoted here. Thank you.